What's up everyone, Tech Sapura here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best Android apps of my 2020. And I will leave all the apps link in description. And since you guys are loving top apps of the month so much, now I will post 2 top apps of the month video in 1 month. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you are new here because we bring awesome content for you guys. So definitely subscribe and let's begin. Beginning of the first app we have is charging Siren. Using this app, whenever you plug your phone on charge, it will show you a waveform charging animation. When your charging start increase, the wave color will be start changing. And whenever your device is full charge, it will show you a full charge alert. If you plug your phone on charge and open the app, it will show you a charging animation and you can click on the phone icon to add the charging alert. Isn't it awesome? Next app we have is Muglife 3D face animator. Using this app you can convert your any photo into GIF image. Using the help of this app you can make funny GIF image and memes. When you open this app you will see tons of funny memes and GIF. You have to select one, then you have to click on the mug me option. Now you have to tap on the camera option. You can either take a photo or you can select from camera roll. Then you will see your face doing that meme, or if you don't like it, you will have more options in the bottom. When you are done, just click on the save option. Third app we have is Wallwrap. If you are finding a wallpaper app and you want different categories wallpaper, then you should definitely try Wallwrap. You will find HD and 4K wallpaper, and this is one of the best wallpaper app because this wallpaper app is unique compared to other wallpaper app. You will see a clean and a minimal UI. You will find every category's wallpaper in this wallpaper app like abstract, games, animal, car, minimal, illustration and tons of more. These wallpaper updates in daily basis and you will see a new feature in this app called look mode. Using the look mode, you can add all your favorite wallpaper in your home screen and you can set a timer for the look mode. And to add a wallpaper in look mode, you have to select the wallpaper and click on this look icon. So definitely check it out. Link is provided in the description for the app. If you are a YouTuber and you shoot from your phone, it's so annoying when you are in the middle of recording videos and you get tons of messages, emails and more. Then your phone start notifying, but using internet blocker, you can choose to block app for a while. Like if I enable for WhatsApp, I won't receive any notifications from WhatsApp internet will be blocked. Last app we have is Rotation Manager. I'm a person whose auto rotation is always off, but I use some app in horizontal orientation. Rotation Manager is an app which lets you set rotation setting for every app separately. You can choose an app and set it as fixed to vertical, fixed to horizontal or even auto rotate. So you don't have to change rotation every time you open an app. Just go to the application, choose the app for which you want to set from 3 options, you are finished, and it's that simple. So definitely check it out. So that's all for this video. If you like this video then don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new here, and if you want me to make more videos about top apps of the month then you can drop it in the comment box. So thanks for watching. I will see you with an interesting video. Goodbye.